Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you a special day. It is double donations for Donors Choose. So please watch this video to the end. I am asking for your help. I told you in my last video, I'm going to donate my first real paycheck from YouTube back to our classroom because we are in need of those cricut machines. So if you notice on our YouTube channel, we started the memberships and it was as low as $1.99 and then the various levels. So I want to thank all of you who are members. That helps. So with our earnings, we are going to put that back into our classroom and get those cricut machines. Now, those cricut machines are fairly expensive, so we do need a little bit more help. So if you can donate, whether it's, I think the minimum is probably $5, maybe, I'm not sure, I have to take a look, $1, $5 today, that will be doubled because we are part of an equity focus. So I want to show you this Donors Choose. So this is a little bit about that special day. Public schools aren't created equal. You can help. To this day, many Black, Latino, Native American students and schools from low-income households enter classrooms without enough books, technology, and supplies. And firsthand, I can definitely agree to that. So that's why I use Donors Choose in a lot of the school districts I've worked with. It just helps companies. Thank you so much, Charles Schwab, and all these companies. I do a lot of STEM projects, financial literacy. So they always have their special double donation days. And now we have a day as well where any small donation will get doubled. So it happens every now and then. You can take a look, you can read through a little bit more. So it is an anonymous donor. Sometimes we know the companies who help. And Donors Choose, they partner with a ton of companies. So thank all those companies out there who help. And then you'll see it's 2x, that's the double donation. Here are projects around the United States. So we are trying to make our business classroom the best, well, the coolest classroom ever. So if you take a look at our projects, we are requesting, we have $37 left, given that double donation day today. Chill out and relax for 5 minutes. This was a request from a student last year as far as having a gamer chair in the classroom. So a lot of the times I'll do requests and see what the students are looking for in the classroom. So we are requesting 2 of those chairs. This is just like a retail store. It's like one of the display cases. So we have a PBIS store and a lot of the items we have are of value. So we like to lock that up. So that is a display case. And what we're going to focus on right now is social entrepreneur. So this is where I'm going to donate that $347.15. So we still have, we could complete this project. We don't have $781 just yet. And to be honest with you, with YouTube, it takes like a good month to get paid. So I'm going to charge this on my credit card and then wait. I'm pretty sure it's a couple more weeks until I fully get paid through YouTube. So that was September's earnings when we started the membership. So I put $347.15. I'm going to click on Give to this classroom. We're going to check out now. And then over here, this includes an optional 15%. If you want your donation to be a little bit more, so you could just be like, look, if you don't have it, you can change it to 0% and save. And then most of the money obviously will go towards. So it's an impact of $694. So that's great. We are going to, I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to put my credit card. I can also select to make this donation anonymous if we want, or we don't have to. We'll make it anonymous. That's fine. And then we're going to click on credit card. So I will be right back. Okay, perfect. So I cut out that credit card information. One time I was on Nitro Type, and I think people saw that credit card. I made a huge mistake, and then all of a sudden my credit card got bombarded, and I had to change the credit card number, and it was just annoying because my cell phone kept like beeping and beeping, and even with the old credit card number, and even when I just canceled it, I still got those notifications. So hopefully I learned my lesson. So I cropped out the section. We can do an anonymous donor, your message to the classroom. So here you can stay strong. What are we going to write? Message to the classroom. Keep learning. Stay positive. Good vibes. Let's do some good vibes. Always be your best. Something we want to just post. Keep up the good work. Oh, I know. We should just put 100 because everyone knows that's usually my tag, my red 100. I always put that so they'll know it's from me. Post my message. All right, so this is our donation. Over here, it asks you if you want to donate on a monthly. Usually I just put no thanks. And then we don't really have to share. I'm not on Facebook or any of that. So we'll close out. So our generous donation has been applied. And now this is good. Anytime you donate, when you have a Donors Choose account, you can go through and you could get your tax receipt. So that's also an option. I like doing that. As a teacher, you're spending a lot of money on just extra classroom supplies, books, materials, everything you need. So these receipts are important. So that's pretty much it. So we got it down to $403. So like I said, today's a special day. If you guys can help us knock this down, if it's just a $5, whatever you can, we truly, truly appreciate it. Hopefully it gets funded today. And today is pretty much the only day. And then, like I said, we have these other projects. So this was a huge project. This is having, I think, 5 Cricut machines, 2 of the heat press, some of the vinyl paper. But I know the students love this. So we do this every Friday. So I'm going to give you the grand tour of our classroom in a little bit, and I'll show you what our entrepreneurship students do weekly because I have the agenda on the board. This week we're working on resumes because we have a job fair coming on Thursday and it's open to the public. So we have the inside scoop from like 2 to 3 p.m. and at 3 it opens to the public. So I have all my students writing resumes, and then if they do get a job or if they get dressed up, they can pick one free item out of our PBIS store. And in previous videos, I showed you the items we include in our PBIS store. So it's a great motivator and it's literally hands-on real-world practice. Hopefully we get these shares funded. So these are all, I will leave the link to all of our Donors Choose projects. If you can help out, that would be great. If not, don't worry. I know it's tough out there just finding a job. I tell all my students, it is a full-time job to find a job. I will help you with your resume writing. That's what I do. So my background is, business and computers. We are here to help. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for those channel members. Hopefully you can also find a classroom to support. You can search by zip code. Pleasantville. Look, you can just click on, we're in New York. So you have a lot of other teachers posting projects. I am not the only one using this website. You can scroll through, and then if there's a project that you support, that you find interesting, definitely support these other teachers if you can as well. You can even, some teachers request, virtual trips. They have field trips. They want to go to France or Italy with their students. I like the STEM topics, a lot of the STEM and financial literacy. Those are like my 2 important topics, obviously, because I'm business and computers. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is while funds last, so it's pretty much a special day for Donors Choose today. So you can read more about it, and hopefully you guys can help. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now I'll show you what our classroom looks like. Okay, so this is my office. Ta-da! I hate being on camera, so I'm going to make this quick. This is the front door where students come in. This is the entrepreneurship class where we have a student creating his new brand. No Mercy is his line. So he's made a bunch of sample t-shirts using that Cricut machine. Should probably turn on the light so you guys can see. So it is almost Halloween. So we put the price down to $15 because we have a couple of Halloween designs. So he's super creative. And now we're going to walk into the classroom. There's my desk. If you take a look, week of October 10th, we're working on resume writing. Here we have our arrow garden and our apple trees that are being grown in the classroom. We have some basil over here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually growing. That's our wall. And then we have our business wall, and I try to include all the businesses, whether it's a designer. I actually live near the outlets, so it's kind of easy for me to get to all these stores. We have Armani, Kate Spade, Fendi, Coach, and then we have our basic, our regular stores, Dollar Tree, Express. We have someone knocking on my door that I'm not going to answer because it is first period. And this is our entrepreneurship wall. Take a look. So that's the agenda we have Monday, Tuesday, where we do the chapter reading and assignments. Wednesday, we have a quiz, cash flow board game. And this is from our book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, our cash flow. We have 4 of those. And that's thanks to Charles Schwab and a Donors Choose project we did with financial literacy. Thursday is our business plan writing. So here are some of the businesses our students are creating. And then Fun Friday. If you take a look, Fun Friday, that's when they use the Cricut machine. And here is, our PBIS store and some of the items that they can earn. Let's see. That's pretty much it. And that's our classroom. So that's it. Here's someone at the door. We're not going to get. Hi, bye. Get to class. I'm busy. I'm recording. I can't. No. Come by at 45. I have 15 minutes. Okay, so that student wanted to come in, but I need my time to create this video, and they're not supposed to be here. So that was the grand tour. Let me stop this, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you.